I was able to make $1,179 in one day in affiliate commissions. This is an easy affiliate marketing hack that not a lot of people know about. I will show you how to find high commission affiliate products and guide you step by step on how to promote these types of affiliate products so that you can make at least $100 a day. This method does not use ClickBank or Digistore of any of the popular affiliate marketing platforms. So the competition is low. You also don't need a website. The first step is to find a software-based affiliate product that matches the 3 criteria. Capterra is one of the websites that list hundreds of different software products. You can start with a category you like and go through the steps I show you next. There are 3 criteria you need to look for when selecting a product. Let's select this product Post Affiliate Pro, and I will show you how to research and see if this is one of the affiliate products you should promote. Once you have a product in mind, go to Google and type the product name. The first criteria is that you shouldn't see any Google ads for the specific product. For this product, you see there are already ads. So let's select another one and search for the product. You will notice that there are no ads on the top of the search or at the bottom. After you find a product like with ads, you need to look for the next criteria. You need to check how many searches this software gets for a month. There are various free plugins you can use to get this information. It looks like this particular product gets about 650 searches per month. Look for products that have at least 500 searches per month. If you can get a couple of those customers per month, that's an easy way to make your first $100. Now let me show you the next right thing you have to do once you find a product like this. Go to the product website and see if they offer an affiliate program and how much commissions you will get for a sale. Often, if you go all the way down, you will find that they offer affiliate programs. Here says, join our referral program. Now you need to figure out how much you will make as an affiliate for one sale. You need to make sure that you will make at least $100 from one sale. Then, with just one customer, you can make $100. This product satisfies that criteria and all the other criteria that I mentioned. Next, click on the link and complete the registration process. Moving on to step 2, you need to get the product affiliate link. Once you log in, you will be able to get your affiliate link. You are going to use this link, and when people buy through your link, you are going to make the $100 commission. In the next step, I will show you how to get targeted traffic, which means people that might be interested in buying this product you are promoting. Remember, at the start you made sure that this product doesn't have any ads. Now you are going to be the only person that will create an ad for this product. So when people are searching for Google about this product, we want your ad to show up and they buy through your link, you will make $100. The reason why this works is that this is such an easy affiliate marketing hack where you put the research in up front, and people that are looking for this product already know about it, so it's easy to convert. If you don't have a Google Ads account, create one. It is super simple. I will now show you how to get started here because there are a couple of important things you need to get right to make this affiliate marketing hack work. You need to select website traffic and then use search traffic. So when people are searching about this product, your ads are going to show up. Give any name here. Now, this is important. Remove display network. You don't want your ads to show up on that, and then you can see more settings. Keep the default settings as is. For budget, you can start with just $10 a day and see how many sales you can make. For example, if you make just one sale on the first day, you have already recovered the $10 you invested, and you also make a profit of $90, which you can invest for other days and make even more money. Press save and continue. This is where you add the keywords. Basically, you are telling Google Ads if people type in this keyword, make your ad show up. Obviously, you need to add the product name. Now there are important steps here you need to follow. You can't just type in the keyword because there are things called the broad match, phrase match, and exact match. For this specific affiliate marketing strategy, I recommend either a phrase match or the quotes here. In that specific phrase or a variation of that phrase, for example, let's say they get the name backward and they say rock referral or something like that, your ad would still show up with exact math. They have to type in referral rock for your ad to actually show up, so phrase match would probably do the best. Here is another easy hack to find more keywords to add here. Go to Google, and when you type this in right, you're going to see related keywords. If you have a tool or a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere, you can find more keywords. For example, here you see referral rock pricing. So you can just copy this and go back here. People looking for a demo, that's obviously people looking to buy. So you got 3 keywords already, and you can find a couple of more keywords like this. For the purpose of this video, I will just press save and continue. Here is where you are actually going to write the advertisement. Next, copy your affiliate link and paste the affiliate link in the ad. If you are not an expert in writing Google ads that get clicks, you can use an online look like this. You can get started for free. I will leave a link in the description below. All you need to do is give the product name, copy the product description from the sales page, and click Generate AI Content, and this online copywriting tool will generate a few advertisements for you. Then you can just copy and paste it into your ad. Next, you can just change one word and then create various versions of the same advertisement. You can experiment and see which advertisement headline and description works well to make you $100 or more. Once you are done, press save and continue. Next, you can start your advertisement and it will say pending review. Usually, it's going to take anywhere from an hour to up to 24 hours to review and approve your ads. You can follow these steps for multiple products to find the one that makes you the most money. This is just one affiliate marketing hack. I have created many more previously. Watch this video next to learn another method.